With the rainy season persisting, the village was inundated with nearly 2 days of incessant rain, resulting in flooding that reached up to a meter high. Some residents were evacuated to relief centers via boats, while others opted to remain on the upper levels of their homes. At the shelters, they were provided with essential supplies such as food, medicine, blankets, and hot beverages. The village headman paid a visit to ensure the well-being of the villagers. It was anticipated that they would need to remain at the centers for a minimum of 2 days until the floodwaters subsided. Once it was deemed safe, they would be able to return home to begin the arduous task of cleaning up following the devastating flood.